When is it appropriate to use alligator clips for jumper testing? Alligator clips are appropriate when you need a quick, temporary connection to bridge terminals during troubleshooting, and the terminals accept clamp-style contacts, such as terminal blocks or screw-down terminals. Always power down the circuit before attaching clips to avoid arcing and damage. Use clips rated for the system voltage and current, and inspect jaws and insulation for wear before each use, because a compromised clip can create a short or a shock hazard. For testing low-voltage control circuits like furnace or air conditioning controls, choose clips with insulated boots and fine-toothed jaws to make reliable contact without deforming delicate terminals. When working near live mains or high-current charging systems, do not use clips since slippage or an accidental short could cause sparks or component failure, and instead use purpose-built test leads with shrouded connectors. If you must jumper on live low-voltage circuits to observe behavior, place clips so they cannot touch adjacent terminals, secure them with tape or a non-conductive tie, and work with one hand behind your back to reduce risk of completing a circuit through your body. Remember that magnet jumpers are not compatible with many thermostat bases and some compact terminals, so choose alligator clips for larger screw-type connections, and only after confirming the circuit is deenergized when practical. 3 common mistakes are using clips on live high-voltage or high-current circuits, relying on worn or uninsulated clips, and placing clips where they can touch adjacent terminals and short-out connections. Avoid using clips on powered mains by deenergizing the circuit first, and lock out, tag out where required. Replace or repair any clip with exposed metal or damaged insulation, and use clips rated above the expected circuit voltage and current. Position clips deliberately, secure them with tape or a tie if needed, and use one-hand techniques and insulating gloves for added protection when working near energized parts. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for jobs where proper jumper testing and wiring practices matter, and allows contractors to list services and connect with potential clients. We also host a discussion community so homeowners and tradespeople can ask questions, share photos, and exchange practical tips about tools and safe testing methods.